Ooh. Suitcases packed on a campus lawn. Two young hearts before the dawn, chasing degrees across different skies, letting love go with tears in our eyes. 6 years of seasons, the pages we turned, for every lesson and degree that we earned. Build our careers through the late night strain, waiting for sunshine through the distance and rain. Then on a quiet afternoon, I turned around and saw you. The years fell away in a single glance. Time gave us back our second chance. Every dream I ever chased across the blue led me right back here, right next to you. The longest road led me right back to you. You are the reason my dream has come true. No greater miracle than this for you. A dream come true because there is you. We had to grow apart to find our way, to hold each other close and finally stay. It was never too late, just right on time. Your hand once again inside of mine. So days of waiting, the journey is through. My dream come true is standing right beside you.